Alright guys, welcome back with the X450 fighter, and let's see what we can do with this thing. Now, initially I had decided that I was going to find a way to make this thing either flyable again or make it better than it is, which of course would be crazy, because that would mean that I actually knew what I was doing. So where we are now is that I was able to attach this motor over here and this motor over here. Now, currently this one is disconnected because I thought that if I had this one running like this and then using the remote, then turning it this way, I was going to be able to have a regular lift off just like that. But what really happened is this motor is so powerful that due to the angle or whatever it is, or maybe because this part of the wheel in the front gets caught on the cement or whatever, usually what happens is it just goes like this and then flips all the way onto its back like that, because it's just so powerful. And the power is not balanced out overall because of this brushless motor and not having the extra two over here, and so therefore it flips whether I use that one on its own or this one together as a combo. So what I'm thinking of doing is removing this one over here and putting two of the engines back here, two of the motors, electric motors that are brushless, to the front here, and see if that balances out the thing by having some thrust going upward like this and having the counter rotation here, and then this one also in this position to get it off the ground. And once it's in the air, maybe then we can switch it this way and see if that doesn't flip it, but it may still flip it. I'm hoping that it doesn't, because hopefully two motors going upward will be more powerful than the one going this way, so hopefully it won't flip. But again, it's all very theoretical at this point. But what I did notice is that this thing here, not sure if it's visible, I'm going to try to zoom in or focus better on it, has some little screws, and so that will make it a lot easier if I want to sort of screw it into here. Now, what I want to do is do the opposite of what it was. It was in the original design, it was all the way out here. I want to bring this back to around here, because I want the actual plane to act as a prop guard. I did not like the design, and that's part of the reason why I'm doing this video, to try to find other ways to get this done. I really did not like having the prop out here. One, it's dangerous for children or anybody else when the airplane props are out here, and they could actually hit someone and cut someone. But also, you know, I'm one of those people who really believes in safety first. Well, and that's not safe. A bunch of screws attached to the motor. That's definitely not safe. I'm going to get those out of the way. So I'm one of those guys who really likes safety first in general. And so the fact that these things were just out here made it a little bit dangerous, in my opinion. And I would prefer if I could mount it somewhere like here, where even if the plane does smash into something, the props will be protected and nobody would get really hurt. I may even like cover this part out, but this seems like a pretty smart place to put this, and I don't think it would interfere with this going up and down. I don't think, if it stays at this level. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And then obviously if it fails, it fails, and I'm sure some engineers will be like, what are you talking about, man? That's not doable. But we'll see. That's the beauty of experimentation, right? You try something ridiculous, and then sometimes it works and sometimes it really doesn't. But the fun is in the experimentation. And that's why so many projects fail, but that's also why so many projects also succeed. So anyway, in the next video, I'm going to try to unscrew this bit here and start trying to apply it on there and see what happens. And then we'll have to figure out, because it has to be opposing, so there's going to be an A and a B counter rotating here in order for this to work. And this will be then connected to the back as if it was this one here, maybe. I don't know. We'll have to see what works the best. Even if this is not actually working, we can sort of figure out the perfect angle for it to run, and then just bind it so that it stays that way. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.